Hey guys, welcome to Larock's Cooking Adventures. I'm today's host, Larock, and today, before we get into what we're going to do today, let me just shout all of you out. I want to take the time to say thank you all for watching this program. To my subscribers, thank you for subscribing to this channel. To my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. To those of you out there in YouTube world who just stumble across my video and watch my video, thank you also. I most certainly appreciate each one of those 3 different classes of viewers. From the bottom of my heart, from the bottom of Larock's Cooking Adventures kitchen, I want to say thank you. Now, what we're going to do today is make a Reuben Rachel, okay? Previously on this channel, we made a regular old Reuben. The difference between a Reuben Rachel and a Reuben is the meat and the slaws that go on them. So the Reuben has corned beef and sauerkraut. The Rachel has turkey and coleslaw. All right. Well, I'm gonna make the same way I did last time, 1 and 1. I'm gonna make the Rachel with coleslaw, and then I'm gonna make the Rachel with sauerkraut. Let's get into this. All right, guys, for this Rachel, you're going to need 5 ounces of deli turkey. You can get it out your local deli. Watch the prices, watch the quality. Okay, as I said, we're going to use kraut on one, the non-traditional way, and coleslaw, the traditional way, on the regular Rachel. We have the Swiss cheese, baby Swiss, baby styly. We have a little bit of butter to toast on the bread. We have actual rye bread, and when I made that Reuben last time, we used the marble rye, which is pumpernickel and rye. Last but not least, you have your Thousand Island dressing. All right, guys. Okay, so let's get into this. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna fold the turkey over, right? One like that, and then the other side like that. Give it a nice thick shape. And this one like that, then like that, right? We want a little bit of volume, okay? Then we're gonna go with the Swiss on the bottom. We're gonna call these the bottoms. Now, while I'm assembling this sandwich, I have the flat top over here heating up, getting prepared to toast this. So I have 5 slices. I'm gonna take this one slice, cut it in half, and just put it on the bottom. Like that, just to cover the bottom. All right, boom. I'm gonna take this one, flip it over, bing. This one, flip it over, pull this edge out a little bit, bing. Try to make it thick. All right, then we're gonna go with one of these with the slaw. Sorry, we're gonna go with the kraut first because I'm gonna double dip with this fork. Now remember, typically the Rachel Reuben doesn't have the slaw. It has, the kraut. It has the coleslaw. But we're giving you guys options. We want you guys to have options. So enough with that. And you just might like this Rachel with the kraut, like that. Okay. And then we're gonna put the coleslaw on the original. Okay, got a nice heaping portion of that. Try to make it a little uniform. Boom. Now this sandwich is an awesome sandwich, guys. I want to see you guys, gals out there in YouTube world, recreate this and send a picture to Larockscooking@gmail.com. Next, we're gonna go with the Thousand Island. Boom. Boom. Uh-oh. Getting to the end of this here bottle. Okay. Next, last slice of cheese. And then top. So from here where we go is to the griddle or saute pan, whatever you have in your home. All right, guys, we got our flat top heated up. We're just gonna add a little bit of butter. And you don't want your you don't want it too hot. You know, you're not trying to scorch it. You just want to give it a little bit of color, right? All right. Take one. Put it here. And the other one. Slide it across so it gets buttered. Here. Okay. Now guys, you don't want to flatten this out. You want it to stay thick and puffed out. Okay? So we're just going to toast that on there for like 1 or 2 minutes, you know. Give it just a slight bit of color. But you know, if you guys watch this program, you know how I like my stuff well done. So I ain't tripping. All right, guys, should be time to flip it. That was about roughly about 2 minutes. I'm just gonna slide these over here like this. Take a little piece of the butter. Ooh. Get it over here. Look at that golden color. Sexy. Sexy Larock. And a half. And we're just going to give it a couple minutes on this side. Toast up like the other side. Alright guys, these sandwiches are ready to come off the griddle. Ooh la la. Sexy. Ooh la la. So this one has the kraut and this one has the slaw. Alright? So, just gonna put these picks in here to hold them. Okay, that and like that. Then, just gonna cut them on a diagonal, not using force or pressure. The serrated knife is just gonna slice right through this situation, like that. Clean the knife so I don't have juice in my cut on this piece. Okay. Very light pressure, because again, we don't want to smash it down. Let's see what it looks like. Beautiful. That's the kraut. That's the coleslaw. That thing popping. Okay. Now, let's plate this joker. So we're gonna do one with the kraut, like that. And then that was the bottom. We're gonna do the top with the slaw. Okay, gonna get rid of this. And let's take a look. Slaw, kraut. Slaw, kraut. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section of how you think the sandwich turned out and which one would you prefer. I want to say thank you guys for watching today. Thank you guys for supporting this channel. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe, like, watch the content, share the content. Larock out. Thank you much.